A26s. But my concern is the S13 ready?
The S13 ready? Of course we're ready! What are you talking about? You want to talk about cost of maintaining? You want to talk about being ready? We got kids that are ready! We know what we're doing with regard to the S13. We got ourselves talking about simplicity. We're talking about some sincere performance opportunity. Supreme operational opportunity. We got over 100 million miles in Europe. We are the S13. We are ready.
S13 readiness. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'd say the S13 is ready. All right. Well, that's great. But does the S13 have any warranties and extended service contracts?
Warranties and extended service contracts?
Warranties and extended service contracts? Come on, guys. You know that we can offer you an extended service contract that'll cover those A26 issues once and for all. And with our bundling options, man, they are world class.
World class.
Looks like the extended service contracts are covered.
Covered.
Well, that's great, but what about keeping this thing on uptime? How's our uptime with the S13?
Uptime.
Uptime.
We have to finally get these people on International 360 and get that service department to have an advocate.
Great, all right. So
Advocacy.
this
Advocacy
thing
is
will be
important.
uptime certified. So, what about, it's brand new technology, right? Brand new engine. Is this thing connected at all? Do we have it on Connected Tech?
Connected
technologies. Connected Tech went, but with uptime comes an uptime advocate. And we're not going to leave you hanging high and dry. We have Navistar back advocate watching, helping you maintain your fleet through its life cycle.
Advocacy.
For a year.
Yeah.
For a year. Sorry.
Connected technology.
Yeah.
Check that box. Well, lastly, not lastly, but. So I think we can sell this thing, but how do we finance it? Financing?
Wait. Navistar Financial?
Yeah.
How about it? We have so many options and products to meet the needs of Gemstone.
Yeah, Gemstone.
NFC.
NFC.
baby.
Sold. So I think we got a pretty good list here, Davis. I think we're off to a good start. How does that all tie into the value prop for the customer?
We got to push this bad boy across the finish line now, don't we?
That's right.
Let's go.
That's right. So what is this value prop?
Well, there's only one thing that we know appeals to everybody, and it's total cost of ownership. How am I going to make money running this truck? Well, Mr. Customer, let me tell you, you know all these little fun fuel economy analysis that we put in front of you and you're going to be making, and you just keep pushing back on me saying there's a whole lot more to the expense of the truck than just fuel economy. However, now we are going to offer you a guaranteed residual, an FMV lease. So now, Mr. Customer, based on these demos that you ran, we are going to make sure that you show this in the bottom line. So your total cost of ownership is going to be line. It's going to be in line. Mr. Customer, and the last thing I would want to point out to you, Mr. Customer, you know how wonderful and loving and caring, and you see that genuine concern in the heart of your local dealer. What is that worth to you? I'm just going to leave that as a rhetorical question, Mr. Customer. Let us have your business, Gemstone. Thank you.